Psalms 1st, verse 2 and 3. But whose delight is in the law of the Lord, and who meditates on his law day and night, that person is like a tree planted by streams of water, which yields its fruit in season, and whose leaf does not wither. Whatever they do prospers. Here, Lord talks about his law and how we should meditate on his law day and night. It means we should think about his law, what his words are saying. And if we do that, whatever we do will prosper. And it is the word of the Lord which will fulfill if you believe. Because it is also written, if you believe, he can do anything, right?